Confidence in an image comes from decisiveness. Hesitant edits feel messy because they try to satisfy too many ideas at once. Start by committing to one clear visual direction. Choose whether the image should feel strong, subtle, dramatic, or restrained. Once decided, eliminate elements that contradict that direction. Reduce colors that do not belong. Control highlights that steal attention. Strengthen the subject just enough to stand its ground without shouting. Confident images do not beg for attention. They hold it naturally. When every element appears deliberate, the image gains authority. Viewers trust images that know what they are.